Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Quant or QNT. QNT is currently ranked currently at the $117 level at the time of recording, currently ranked at 53 with a market cap of about $1.42 billion. We are having a 24-hour volume of about $13.74 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Quant QNT. As you can see, for the week we are down 0.8%, right? And without further ado, let us push to the chart. We are on the chart right here for Quant versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4-hourly time frame, and KuCoin is the data source, right? So for Quant, we are seeing Quant form this sort of descending triangle pattern right here. And before we go into the triangle, we said prices move from level to level to level, which Quant has been going through. But something we want to just look at right here, we could make this like this, right? So Quant is forming this sort of descending triangle. Now, many times descending triangles usually break to the upside, right? So with more times than not, right, 80% of the time, we usually see a break to the upside right here for these descending triangles, but sometimes also we could see a break to the downside right here. So this is a very huge possibility where we could see a break to the upside or a break to the downside, right? So we would just be watching this triangle right here to see the break, but with a very high likelihood, many times we usually see this break to the downside even more than the upside, right? But I will be showing you something else that is pointing to danger signals right here for Quant QNT, and saying we could see a potential retracement so that we can buy more Quant right here before the halving, right? And basically, if we just look at the EMAs, let's just hide the drawings and look at the EMAs. The EMAs currently, we are losing the bull market EMA. You would remember we became bullish right here when we saw prices push above. That was around October, I remember. October right here, as you can see, where we pushed above the bull market EMA, October of 22, we became very bullish and we saw this sort of massive push to the upside. Currently, we lost the bull market EMA right here, but we have not confirmed, and we tried to push above the bull market EMA, but unfortunately we were not able, and currently we are forming price structure, or we are forming price structure below the bull market EMA. Usually when we begin to form price structure below, that could see some sort of massive push to the downside. Also, another reason we are a little bearish is that we are not seeing massive buy volumes coming in from the bulls. As you can see right here, we saw this sort of massive buy volumes coming right here in December, but not the same thing is happening in 2024. As you can see, this massive buy volume was stopped right here with this selling pressure coming in, right? Even though we are having this bullish divergence, this is not enough, as we want to see even more buy volumes coming in right here for Quant QNT. Another thing we are very concerned about right here for the price of Quant QNT basically is Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is forming this sort of shooting star candlestick. You know, Bitcoin is the king of the market. If Bitcoin dumps, with a very likelihood, we could see a lot of altcoins, including Quant, dump, right? Bitcoin is having this sort of shooting star, so this sort of massive push, and we have formed this shooting star pattern right here on Bitcoin. As you know, the shooting star candlestick is one of the most bearish patterns after an uptrend. The moment we see this small real body upper shadow at least twice as big as the real body, we could see a downtrend, right? That is exactly what is happening right here on Bitcoin. Massive uptrend. We have formed this sort of shooting star candle, and we are about to see this massive downtrend. If we see that massive downtrend in Bitcoin, that could mean the same thing. We could see some sort of downtrend right here for Quant going forward, right? So that is something we should be aware of, right? As you can see, the shooting star signals a potential downside reversal and is most effective when it's formed after 2 or 3 consecutive rising candles having higher highs, right? And as you can see for Bitcoin, we don't have just 2 or 3, we have 8. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles forming higher high. We currently have formed the shooting star candle, so with a very high likelihood we are about to see that downtrend. And if we see that downtrend in Bitcoin, we could see the same thing happen for Quant, which could see a break to the downside. So this is something we would be watching quite closely and giving you updates right here on the channel. And so if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed